My complete workshop funnel explained. Certainly. Here's an explanation of a complete workshop funnel, which is a series of steps designed to attract, engage, and convert participants for your workshop. 1. Awareness stage. Attract potential participants to your workshop through various channels such as social media, email marketing, blog posts, webinars, or partnerships. B. Create compelling content related to your workshop topic to generate interest and awareness among your target audience. C. Use targeted advertising campaigns to reach potential participants who may be interested in attending your workshop. 2. Interest stage. Capture the interest of your audience by offering valuable content, such as free resources, lead magnets, or teaser videos, related to your workshop topic. B. Direct interested individuals to a dedicated landing page where they can learn more about your workshop and sign up to receive updates or notifications about the event. 3. Engagement stage. Engage with your audience through email sequences, social media interactions, or live Q&A sessions to build rapport and trust. B. Provide additional content or sneak peeks of what participants can expect from the workshop to keep them excited and engaged leading up to the event. 4. Registration stage. Encourage interested individuals to register for your workshop by offering early bird discounts, limited time bonuses, or other incentives to incentivize sign-ups. B. Create a seamless registration process with a user-friendly registration form and clear instructions on how to secure their spot for the workshop. 5. Confirmation stage. Send a confirmation email to registered participants confirming their attendance and providing important details such as date, time, location, if offline, or login information, if online. B. Include a calendar invitation or reminder to help participants remember the workshop date and time. 6. Preparation stage. Prepare participants for the workshop by providing pre-workshop materials, resources, or assignments to help them get the most out of the event. B. Communicate any technical requirements or prerequisites they need to fulfill in advance to ensure a smooth experience during the workshop. 7. Workshop stage. Host the workshop either online or offline, delivering valuable content, insights, and interactive experiences to participants. B. Engage with participants through live presentations, group discussions, breakout sessions, or hands-on activities to facilitate learning and interaction. 8. Follow-up stage. Follow up with participants after the workshop to gather feedback, testimonials, or suggestions for improvement. B. Provide additional resources, recordings, or bonus content to reinforce key learnings and continue the learning journey beyond the workshop. 9. Conversion stage. Offer participants the opportunity to take the next step, such as enrolling in a more extensive course, joining a membership program, or booking a one-on-one consultation. B. Provide exclusive discounts or bonuses for workshop attendees to incentivize conversions and foster long-term relationships with your audience. By implementing a complete workshop funnel, you can attract, engage, and convert participants effectively, maximizing the impact of your workshop and building a loyal community of learners and supporters around your brand.